No,
Okay.
no.
I call my wife.
Court is in session and calls number 327-754. The case is styled the State of Texas versus Holly Nicole Smith. Ms. Smith, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Smith, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Yellow hand. Ms. Smith, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Smith, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Smith?
All right, how you doing?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Smith, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney James Paget. Attorney Paget, how are you doing again?
Doing well. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. And Mr. Ham, representing the DA's office, how are you doing again?
Very well, thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Smith, I have before me an information that has been filed by the District Attorney's Office. This information alleges that on or about July 14 of 2020, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of possession of a controlled substance, possession of a controlled substance. Now, Ms. Smith, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Ms. Smith, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Now, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Smith, I have before me a document that is titled the Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Ms. Smith, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this same document, Ms. Smith, there are a set of initials, HS, on a line next to a box that's checked guilty. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this same document, Ms. Smith, there is a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Ms. Smith, did you sign this document?
Yes, sir.
I have another document before me. This document is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. Ms. Smith, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that is titled defendant?
It is.
There are 2 boxes that are checked at the top of this document. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Smith, I also have another document before me. This document is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
It is.
Ms. Smith, before you signed and initialed these documents that I've just mentioned to you, did your attorney, Mr. Paget, go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you read and understand everything that he went over?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
State, I have before me State's Exhibit number 1. State, you like to offer States 1?
Yes, Your Honor. No objections to States 1, Your Honor.
No objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Paget, you have advised and counseled Ms. Smith. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Smith, your attorney, Mr. Paget, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Smith, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial, and I will also find that your pleas and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, we do.
What is the plea bargain agreement?
Your Honor, the agreement is for a $600 fine plus court costs, acknowledging that the defendant has 1 day jail credit.
That is our understanding, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Smith, the state is offering that you pay a $600 fine plus court costs. And the court cost in this case is $337. The total fine and court cost is $937. The state is also giving you 1 day credit which means the 1-day credit will be given to your sentence. So your fine, instead of your fine being 900, your fine and court costs being $937, it will be reduced by $100. So it'll be $837 because you're getting a 1-day credit.
Yes, sir.
Now, will you be able to pay the $837
Yes, sir.
today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, do you understand the state's offer?
Mm,
Okay, and do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Mhm.
Okay, Ms. Smith, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. Smith, you're gonna stand on the X next to your attorney. You'll follow the directions of our clerk.
Okay.
And once you finish following those directions, you'll be free to go to make the payment. And your attorney will come back with the receipt.
Okay.
Fair.
So,
James, she's trying to get you.
Right down.
oh, I'm so sorry. I thought we put you right on. I apologize. I'm jumping the gun. a little bit.
That's perfect.
You good? I'll be back there. I don't go anywhere.
Next case is cause number 330940. Case of style of state of Texas versus DeMarcus Dwayne Bruno. Mr. Bruno, your full name is DeMarcus Dwayne Bruno.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Bruno?
Doing all right, you? Sir?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Bruno. You're here with your attorney, Mr. Bruce Smith. Mr. Smith, how are you doing?
Fine, Your Honor. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you as well. Mr. Smith, what is your announcement in Mr. Bruno's case?
Your Honor, this case was set in the latter part of 21, and I am and I've advised counsel for the state. He also has a case pending in Tyler County, and I'm trying to coordinate the two. So I need at least 60 days if the court can see fit to get that.
Okay.
So I get those two coordinated.
Okay. You have any objections, Mr. Hale?
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay.
April 13th.
What is it?
April 13th.
Okay. This case will be reset to April 13th, Mr. Bruno. Your attorney will be given a copy of the reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Smith, you can stand on the X in front of our coordinator, sign for the reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day as
Thank you
well.
very much.
You're welcome. Yeah, well, we have the one with the, I wonder if he's still in the cell. I guess look like everybody that's left on the docket is incarcerated.
That's it.
Yeah. Okay, well, this will conclude the calling of the announcement docket, which was scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date, which is February 16 of 2022, in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding. Everyone, please have a blessed day.